So, if you are a new Amazon seller or you have just recently launched your product and your product is not having some sales or reviews and you are struggling to get some sales, so there are many methods to increase your sales on Amazon, and distributing the discount coupons to your customer is one of them. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through that what discount coupons are, how you can create it, and how other sellers are using it to get sales, and how they will affect your sales. So there's a lot to learn in this video, and this video will help you a lot. So watch this video till the end. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. And I share some tips, tricks and strategies that how you can boost your sales on these platforms. So if you like my video and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel as well. Without any further delay, let's start the video. So before we see how we can create a coupon for our Amazon product, first let's just find out that how other people are using coupons to generate some sales. So let's go to Amazon and search for any product like yoga mat, and when I search this product, I can see some results. Amazon is showing me some results for the keyword that I have recently searched. So the theory of getting sales on Amazon is there are some factors that affect your sales. So if you want to know what these factors are, I have discussed all these factors in detail in my other video, so you can just go and check out on my Amazon playlist. But for now, I'm just telling you about coupon codes. So to get a lot of sales, you must be ranked on the first page, your photos must look good, your listing should be optimized, your reviews should be good, and you have to make your listing different from other sellers or your competitors. Then you will be having a high chances of sale. So you can see that in front of me I am having 4 listings of same product. You can see the photos of all 4 products are different, the reviews are different, the price are different, and you can see a green color discount coupon here, which makes this listing different from other listing. So this green color and this discount coupon is little eye catchy, and when people are scrolling around the Amazon page, so they can just stop by seeing that coupon. So these coupons will help you to divert the attention of your customers. So they will see your product, and when they see that they will get a 10% or 20% discount on that product, then there are more likely chances of them to make their purchase decision with your product, and then you can generate some good sales velocity. So now you have seen that what coupons are and how people are using it to generate sales velocity. So the next part of this video is how you can generate these kind of coupons for your product. So for that, you have to go on your Seller Central, and from Advertising tab, you have to click on Coupons. And from here, you have to click on this Create a New Coupon button. And after clicking on that button, you will be able to see this page. And from here you can search your product on which you want to apply a coupon. So you can just search by ASIN or you can search by keyword. So I'm searching by keyword right now. Red lane. And then when I click on go, it will show me all the products related to those keywords. So if I want to distribute discount coupon on this product, then I can just click on add a coupon. So you can see that this product is shifted from left to right column. So now I have selected a product on which I want to distribute discount coupons. So just click on continue to next step, and here I have to tell Amazon that what kind of discount I want to give. I want to give a money off or I want to give a percentage off. For example, you are selling a product for $15 and you want to give a $5 off. So you have to click on money off. But if you want to give a discount in terms of percentage like 5% off or 10% off, so your $15 products will be like $13.5. So you have to just click on percentage off. I basically prefer a percentage off because it will help you a lot. So now I have to tell Amazon that how much percentage discount I want to give. So just write here 10. I want to give 10% discount. And then you have to check on this box. Yes, limit redemption to 1 per customer. Because we want 1 customer to avail this coupon only once. Because if you don't click on this checkbox, maybe someone will purchase 10 products at 10% discount. So that will be not good for you. So after telling percentage and setting the limit, you have to give a budget to Amazon for your coupon. So let's just give a $100 budget. So for example, your product is of $10 and you are giving 10% discounts, that means $1. So by setting a $100 budget, these coupons will be valid on 100 products, like 100 sales. So after that, you have to click on next. And there you have to select a coupon title, like what you want to say on your coupon, like save 10% on Red Blade. So your coupon will be displayed like this. And here you have to tell Amazon that you want only Amazon Prime members to avail this coupon, or you want any member to avail this coupon. If I check on Amazon Prime member, so only Amazon Prime member will avail this coupon. So from here I have to select the date. The starting date is today, 20 December, and ending date is like 31 December. So now I have generated a coupon. I have told Amazon that I want to give 10% off coupon, and I have selected a date, and I have selected a starting and ending date, and then I have to click on next. And from there you can see that my coupons has been generated. This will be the title of my coupon, and there is all information like how much discount, what is the budget, what is the starting date, and who can avail this coupon. So when I click on submit coupon, this coupon will be submitted and start showing on my listing. So that's easy how it is to generate coupons for your Amazon product. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you know that how you can create coupon for your Amazon product. So if you like my video and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you're interested in learning more about Amazon, eBay, Shopify and ClickFunnels, that how you can sell there, how you can increase your sales, you want to learn some tips, tricks and strategies, so you can just go on my channel and watch my other videos, because I share a lot of information on my YouTube channel regarding my online selling experience. And make sure to check out the description, I have put some useful link for you there. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.